Here's a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. Combining family needs with premium comfort, the Town & Country is the family hauler that will never give up. The liftgate, tail lamps, and rear spoiler give it an elegant look as you sweep around to its bold front fascia with a powerful 3.6-liter V6 engine and smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a family machine that configures to your needs with 3-zone air conditioning, a touchscreen display, and stow-and-go seating, giving you ample cargo room. The power sliding doors and a power tailgate allow for easy access, and your most precious cargo will stay safe and secure with a Park View rear backup camera. You connect voice command and Town & Country's latch system, which uses 3 anchors to secure latch-ready child seats.
The Park View backup camera gives you a clear picture of what is behind you.
It's not something you need to drive, it's something you'll want to drive. It just happens to be the perfect family vehicle too. Take it for a test drive today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.